Hello. How are you? Welcome back to the best ever motor review show. What's the first thing buyers do when they decide it's time to purchase a vehicle? Points to consider are if the car is within budget and will fulfill all the requirements. What will cost me on daily basis, and if the car is from a trusted brand? Answer to all these questions is the all-new Tata Tiago EV, which comes with the best budget, fulfills all your requirements, and will be very decent on your pocket. Tata Tiago EV, mobilizing India towards the future with an exciting, effortless, eco-friendly, and premium EV drive experience. The Tata Tiago EV is one of the most popular cars in the hatchback segment in India. Tata Motors launched the Tiago EV in India on September 28, 2022. Electric powertrain, battery, and charging. It is powered by two battery packs, 19.2 kilowatt-hours and 24 kilowatt-hours, with a claimed range of 250 kilometers and 315 kilometers, respectively. The former makes 60 brake horsepower per 110 Newton meters, while the latter produces 74 brake horsepower per 114 Newton meters. Meanwhile, the Tiago EV comes with either a 3.3 kilowatts or 7.2 kilowatts home charger, depending on the variant. With DC fast charging, it can be charged from 10 to 80% in a claimed 57 minutes. The Tata Tiago EV is available in 4 variant options: XE, XD, XZ Plus, and XZ Plus Tech Lux. The Tiago EV's fascia is highlighted by a blanked-off grille with the signature triarrow pattern on both ends. To distinguish it from the regular model, the electric hatchback gets electric blue inserts and the EV badge on the grille. Further, the side profile is highlighted by the new dual-tone alloy wheel pattern. Like the exterior, the interior also features electric blue hues on the digital instrument cluster and air vents. In terms of features, the Tiago EV is equipped with 7-inch touchscreen infotainment by Harman, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a height-adjustable driver's seat, automatic climate control, and a flat-bottom steering wheel with mounted controls. It gets with multi-drive modes, cruise control, cooled glove box, 45Z Connect features with smartwatch compatibility for speakers and 4 tweeters, leatherette seat upholstery, regen modes, 0, 1, 2, and 3, TPMS, auto headlamps and rain-sensing wipers, a rear-view camera with parking sensors, electric auto-fold ORVMs, powered boot opening, ABS with EBD, and dual front airbags. The electric hatchback can accommodate up to 5 occupants, including the driver. As per global NCAP, the car offered adequate protection to the head of the driver and the front passenger. Also, both the front occupants benefited from good protection from the tech. Even the driver's chest had adequate protection, but the driver's knees and the front occupant had only marginal protection. They could suffer from an impact with dangerous structures located behind the dashboard supported by the transfascia tube. The driver and passenger tibias had adequate and good protection, respectively. However, the footwell area was rated as unstable. The car offers a seatbelt reminder for both the front seats. All of this leads to a 4-star safety rating for adult occupants. The Tata Tiago has scored a 4-star rating for child occupants protection. As per global NCAP, the child seat for 3-year-old and 1.5-year-old were installed in RWF position using the adult seatbelt. In both the cases, the car was able to avoid excessive forward movement in case of an impact. The chest and head had good protection. CRS marking was permanent. The recommended CRSs did not show incompatibility. The Tiago comes with lap belt in the rear center position, and it doesn't have ISOFIX anchorages. All of the above leads to the 4-star rating for child occupant protection. Chest protection for a passenger was adequate and marginal for the driver. Femur and knees showed marginal protection as there is a risk of contracting dangerous structures behind the fascia, global NCAP said. The 4-star safety rating result of the Tata Tiago was announced soon after the Ultras scored 5 stars. Global NCAP launched #SaferCars for India campaign in 2014 with the aim of promoting safer vehicles in the country. Between 2014 and 2020, global NCAP has completed more than 37 safety assessments, which have acted as an important catalyst in the safety improvement of Indian cars, the global organization said. Speaking on the Tata Tiago safety rating, David Ward, CEO and President of Global NCAP said, "Another solid result from Tata with the Tiger and Tiago. It's clear that doing well in global NCAP's assessments has become an essential requirement for Indian automakers who are now leading the way in our crashworthiness league table." Tata Tiago EV price starts at 8.49 Indian rupees lakh and goes up to 11.79 Indian rupees lakh, average ex-showroom. Tiago EV comes in 7 variants. Tiago EV base model price in electric is 8.49 Indian rupees lakh, whereas the price of Tiago EV automatic version starts from 8.49 Indian rupees lakh. Latest update. Tiago EV has received over 20,000 bookings since its launch. In related news, its deliveries will commence in January 2023. Tell us in the comments section if you would consider to buy the all-new Tata Tiago EV to answer all your current car-related problems. Finally, we thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for all upcoming video notifications. Tickle the like button and share the video with your friends in order to make YouTube Mama happy. We will see you at the next one. Till then, bye-bye.